Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in chemistry: simple cubic structure, packing efficiency. Before going to find out the packing efficiency of the simple cubic structure, we must know some basics. First one, the position of atoms in simple cubic structure. Position of atoms. Okay, in simple cubic, the atoms are ions or molecules are present in only corners. There are 8 atoms in a simple cubic structure. Therefore, there are 8 atoms. Okay. The next one, we are going to find out the number of atoms in one simple cubic structure. Okay. Number of atoms in one simple cubic is equal to total atoms into one share. Okay, it's well known that in simple cubic the atoms are present at the corners only. Therefore, there are totally 8 atoms, and one share in the corner. One atom is equally shared between 8 atoms. Therefore, each share is equal to 1 by 8. 1, that is equal to 1. Therefore, number of atoms present in one simple cubic structure is equal to 1. Then, third one, how atoms touch. Okay, how atoms touch. In simple cubic structure, the atoms are ions or molecules touch each other along the sides. Okay, graphically this is a simple cubic structure where atoms are present at the corners only. Therefore, they touch each other. So this is a R and this is a R. Okay, then we are going to look at the corners. This is a point A, this is the corner B, this is the corner C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, and this is H. The distance between A to B is equal to length of the side, that is equal to A. Okay, then we are going to find out the fourth one, the relation between A and R. The relation between A and R. Then from this picture it's well known that A is equal to addition of R and R. Therefore A is equal to 2R or R is equal to A by 2. Okay. Now we are going to see volume of the sphere with the radius R. It's equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now substitute the value R is equal to A by 2 in this formula. Then the volume is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into A by 2 whole cube. Then it's equal to 4 by 3 pi into A cube divided by 8. Then it's equal to 2 times and becomes a pi into A cube divided by 6. This is a volume. Then next we are going to find out the total volume. Total volume is nothing but number of unit cell in one simple cubic into volume. It's well known that number of unit cell is equal to 1, then volume is equal to pi A cube by 6. Therefore total volume is equal to pi A cube by 6. Now we are going to find out the packing fraction or packing efficiency. Both are same. Or efficiency it's equal to total volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of cube. The total volume is equal to packing fraction simply PF is equal to pi A cube divided by 6 divided by volume of the cube. It's well known that side into side into side, therefore A into A into A it's equal to A cube. Then they cancel each other. Then packing fraction is equal to pi by 6. Packing efficiency in percentage is equal to packing fraction into 100. Therefore packing fraction value is equal to, we already found that 5 by 6 into 100. It means 3.14 into 100 divided by 6. It's equal to 314 by 6. If you divide the value here, 314 by 6, 5 times it's equal to 30. Then remains are 14. 2 times that is equal to 12. Then it's equal to 2. Then there is a point. There is a 20. It's again equal to 3. Then it's equal to 18. It's so on. Okay. Therefore packing efficiency. Okay. Packing efficiency in simple cubic is equal to the value 52.3 in percentage. Okay students, watch it, use it. It's an important video. Therefore watch and share with your friends. Thank you.